Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how you can fix if your TCL Android TV has no audio. So if you are playing any video or any content and there's no audio playing, the first thing you should check is obviously your sound. By pressing these buttons, you can change your volume. So you should check if you have a volume turned on or if it's not muted or anything. And if that is all good, then what you should do is you can go to the settings by clicking on the remote button, the settings button on the remote, and you can go to the sound settings and you can see you can go to the advanced settings and you can simply check these settings if the balance is correct and if the digital audio output is selected to auto or if to PCM, and if you have any external speakers connected or not. If you have any external speaker connected, then the TCL Smart TV will not play any audio. So this is what you can do to see the settings of your audio and fix this issue. I hope this was helpful. Thank you so much for watching.